Hello, what is your name?
I'm Melanie Rabino,
How old are you?
37 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm single.
Okay, do you have kids?
No,
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
8 years.
Do you have any work experience in our countries?
Yeah, Dubai. 4 years.
In Middle East, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
8 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Typo.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,113 square feet.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
No children.
Okay, 4 adults, right?
4 adults.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I work at 7 o'clock. Then I start 7:30. Then I do some cleaning, like cleaning the house and some washing, car wash, and sometimes I go to the market.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
6 o'clock,
What time they eat?
7 o'clock,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.